Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious stir-fry spaghetti. First, let's get organized. You'll want to gather all your fresh ingredients, such as colorful bell peppers, crisp carrots, and your preferred protein like chicken or tofu. Next, cook your spaghetti until it's perfectly al dente, which means it's still firm to the bite. Drain it well and set it aside. Finally, whisk together your flavorful stir-fry sauce, typically a blend of soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a hint of sugar, ready for later. Now, let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large wok or a spacious skillet over a medium-high flame. Once shimmering, add your protein of choice, perhaps thinly sliced chicken or succulent shrimp, and cook it until it's almost fully done. Then, toss in aromatic ingredients like finely sliced onions, minced garlic, and fresh ginger. Stir-fry these vibrant vegetables for just about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing their flavors to truly blossom. This is where the magic happens. Carefully add your perfectly cooked spaghetti directly into the wok, joining the savory protein and tender crisp vegetables. Next, take your premixed stir-fry sauce and pour it generously and evenly over all the ingredients. Now, with a swift and gentle hand, toss everything together. You want to ensure every strand of spaghetti is beautifully coated with that delicious, glossy sauce, absorbing all the wonderful flavors we've built. Almost there. Continue to stir-fry your spaghetti for just 1 to 2 more minutes. This final quick toss ensures that all the ingredients are thoroughly heated through and the flavors have fully melded together. For a delightful finish, garnish your delicious stir-fry spaghetti with a sprinkle of fresh chopped green onions or a dash of toasted sesame seeds. Serve it immediately while it's hot and fresh to enjoy the best possible taste and texture. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.